Enjoy both painting and drawing with one versatile material. Let's explore the most common soft pastel techniques. Use them as is or with your own spin to create any type of artwork. Our first technique comes in two variations. To begin hatching, use the side tip of your soft pastel. It's as easy as drawing parallel lines. Cross-hatching is just another set of lines in a different direction. This works with the same shade or a different one too. Let's move on to our second technique. When blending with soft pastels, it's important to pick shades that go well together. Use the flat side of the soft pastel. Apply your second shade. All you need to do now is blend with your fingertip. Be gentle. We don't want them to mix completely. Satisfying and simple, isn't it? Our next technique is as versatile as soft pastels. We'll be using the flat side once again for our first layer. Now, lightly add that second layer. This way, any pattern you want is easy to create. Ready to experience a new side of soft pastels with our next technique? Use a knife or your fingernail to scrape off a fine powder. Grab a brush and paint. No water needed. Ready to unleash the full scale of your imagination on your next project?